what would you say is benchmarking for you?
Well, there is a formal definition. It's fairly wordy. It is the correct one. I won't cover it because it's kind of long. But let's get to the essence of what benchmarking is. And to do that, I'd like to mention that some time ago, a number of years ago, even before the benchmarking term was coined, a local humorist by the name of Will Rogers said, look, you must learn from others. You must learn from others because you can't possibly live long enough to make all the mistakes yourself. So a key, essence of benchmarking is learn from others. Now, I say that's fine. My more shortened version is finding and implementing best practices. That's the most cogent description of what benchmarking is all about. But in order to do that, you have to use a structured approach to change operations. Doing that, benchmarking has endured for these past several centuries as a method for making positive and unbiased change. And people that talk about making change, the thought leaders, say you really need to do three things to have successful change. First, you have to be able to show there is a need for change. Secondly, you have to determine what you want to change. And thirdly, you need to paint a picture so you can come back to the organization and say, here's what we're going to look like when we're done. Well, the need for change in the case of our benchmarking with LL Bean was the 3 times faster picking operation. The what to change was to minimize the picker's travel distance. And if we did benchmarking across all the operations of the warehouse, all the way from receiving, all the way through to shipping, then it put those best practices together, we could put a picture and be able to take it back to the organization and say, here's what we're going to look like when we're done. It is the epitome of a standard of excellence. It broke a paradigm in the sense that learning from others is now accepted in all economic sectors and around the world.